Hola! Welcome to Lesson 2 of Spanish. My name is Casey Shipman, and I'm the Program Coordinator for Instant Israel at CJE SeniorLife. Today we will practice family titles and introductions. You should have a worksheet in front of you. If you don't, pause the video and ask for help. Unlike English, the Spanish language is gendered. This means that most nouns are either female or male. For example, in English, we have son and daughter, a different word for each noun. However, in Spanish, it's the same word, but the ending vowel changes depending on the gender. So son is hijo, and daughter is hija. Your worksheet has Spanish titles for relatives. Let's try them together, then we'll practice some sentences. We'll start with the English name and then practice the Spanish name. Father, papa. Say it with me. Papa. Good. Mother, mama. Say it. Mama. Good. Husband, marido. Say it. Marido. Good. And wife, esposa. Try it. Esposa. Good. Now we'll practice the gendered nouns. Brother is hermano. Sister is hermana. Let's try brother. Hermano. How about sister? Hermana. Good. Son, as I mentioned, hijo. Try it. Hijo. And daughter, hija. Say it. Hija. Good. Uncle is tío. Say tío. Aunt is tía. Try it. Tía. Good. Nephew is sobrino. Say sobrino. Good. Niece is sobrina. Try sobrina. Grandson is nieto. Try nieto. And granddaughter is nieta. Try nieta. Good. Let's look at some sentences using titles. Below is an example on your worksheet. It says, "This is my mom. Her name is Susan." Este es mi mamá. Su nombre es Susan. Try it slowly with me. Este es mi mamá. Su nombre es Susan. Let's try one more time. Este es mi mamá. Su nombre es Susan. Great. Now let's try these sentences, and you can fill in the blank with any title from the list above on your worksheet. I will pause and let you choose whichever word you want to, so you can practice this video as many times as you like. Este es mi. Su nombre es. Good. Now let's try a bonus exercise. Soy su hijo. This means I am her son. You can replace the title with any of the words above. Let's try. Soy su. Excellent, muy bien. You've completed Lesson 2 of Spanish. You can return to this video as many times as you like and try different words. We'll see you again soon for Lesson 3. Adios.